Get ready to be amazed because I have got some fantastic news for you. In 2024, there is a magical niche that can boost your income level like never before. And guess what? You don't need fancy cameras or microphones. It is all about storytelling in English. Now, you might wondering, why storytelling? Look at this channel. This channel got monetized in just 14 days. Yes, you heard it right. This creator made 22 videos with the help of AI and hit 55k subscribers. Storytelling niche is not very much competitive yet. To grab the opportunity of faster growth in YouTube, you just need to follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Writing script. Go to ChatGPT and write in the prompt section. Please write a motivational moral story within 600 words. Use very easy English to narrate the story. After this, ChatGPT will write the entire story for you. Now, your script is ready. Step 2. Generating images. Again, go to ChatGPT and write in the prompt section. Now give me image prompts for this story to generate images in the Leonardo AI. As you can see, the prompts are so detailed. To make things easier, tell ChatGPT to give it in more shorter form. Here we have our prompts. Now, go to leonardo.ai. Click on create an account. After completing sign up, you will land on this page. Every day, it gives 150 free coins, which is more than enough to make a video. Now, click on create new image. After landing on this page, make sure it is in 16:9 ratio. Now, copy the first prompt from the ChatGPT and paste here in the prompt section. Then, click on generate. You can generate each image for 3 coins. Then, repeat the same process for all prompts. Now, we have our footage for video. Now, we have to generate a voiceover. I'm not using 11 Labs because thousands of creators are using 11 Labs. There is a greater chance to face copyright issues in future. This is because I am using Lovo AI. It is a premium AI website, but I will tell you how you can use it for free. Now, you have to go to Lovo AI. Then, click on Start Now for free. Then, click on Create New Project. Then click on Advanced Mode to get better quality voiceover. After this, you will land on the main interface. Click on Speaker Selection. Then click on Global Voice. Here you will find many voice options.
Are you
Let's
looking for the
select this
perfect
one.
voice? Then I'm your best option.
Yeah, perfect. Select this one. After selecting the voice, copy the script from ChatGPT and paste here. Click on Ready to Generate icon. It will take a few seconds to generate the voice. Then click on Export. Now give a name of your voice and select MP3 format. Then click on Export. After exporting, you will have download and share option. If you click on download, it will ask you to upgrade the plan. You don't need to pay for it. I am showing you a trick. From here, click on share and copy the link. Then search URL to audio. Click on the first website and simply paste the URL here. Then click on download. After processing, it will give you the download option. Then you can easily download the voiceover. Finally, we have our script, images and voiceover. Now, it is time to edit them. I am using CapCut. You can use other video editing tools like After Effects, Filmora, Canva, etc. As it is not a video editing tutorial, I am just editing for few seconds. Here, import your images and voiceover. First, add your images one by one. I haven't downloaded all the images. I am adding 3 images to just show you. Then add your voiceover in the timeline. Now add a zoom effect to all the images. To do this, just add keyframe at the starting and ending of the image. Then increase the scale of ending keyframe. In this manner, repeat the process for all other images. Here is the sample of output.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a little bird named Sunny. Sunny was a cheerful and optimistic bird who loved to sing all day long. However, the other birds in the village were not as happy. They often complained about the
Before you start making videos on this niche, carefully inspect your competitors and have patience. To motivate me, you can like the video and subscribe the channel. I am wishing you a better journey in YouTube. Thank you for watching.